In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free. Upgrading your PC to Windows 11 can enhance performance, provide new features, and ensure you have the latest updates and security enhancements. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First and foremost, before starting the upgrade process, it's crucial to ensure that your computer meets the minimum hardware requirements for Windows 11. You can find these requirements easily by visiting the Microsoft website or searching for Windows 11 hardware requirements in your search engine. Ensuring compatibility will save you time and prevent any potential issues during the upgrade. Next, head over to the Start menu by clicking the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, navigate to the Settings option. This is where you can access various settings related to your Windows system. In the Settings menu, find and click on Update and Security. This section manages all your system updates and security measures, ensuring that your operating system is up to date with the latest fixes and features. Once you're in Update and Security, select Windows Update from the list of options. This is where we'll check for available updates and eventually initiate the Windows 11 upgrade. Click the Check for Updates button. This action will prompt Windows to search for the latest updates available for your system. If your device meets all the compatibility requirements, you should see an option to download and install Windows 11 right there. If that option is available, simply follow the on-screen prompts to start the upgrade process. For some, the upgrade option might not appear immediately. In such cases, don't worry. Microsoft rolls out the upgrade gradually to different regions and devices. If you're eager to get started, there's an alternative method. Visit the official Microsoft website specifically dedicated to Windows 11 downloads. Here, you can utilize the Windows 11 Installation Assistant by finding the section titled Windows 11 Installation Assistant and clicking Download Now. After downloading the Installation Assistant, you'll locate the file named Windows 11 Installation Assistant XE in your Downloads folder. Double-click this file to run it. This will initiate the upgrade process. You'll be prompted to accept the license terms, which you can do by following the directions provided in the Installation Assistant. Once you've accepted the terms, the Installation Assistant will guide you through the remaining steps to install the upgrade on your PC. The process can take some time, so be patient. Once complete, you'll be prompted to restart your computer, finalizing the installation and booting your system with the new Windows 11 interface. And that's it. With these easy steps, you've upgraded your Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free. Enjoy exploring the new features and improved performance that Windows 11 has to offer.